Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install or set up Ghidra 11.2, that is the latest version on Parrot Security OS 6.2. But the process is same on all Parrot Security OS versions. Okay, first verify whether we have any Ghidra comes as a pre-installed software or not. See, but here we have the Ghidra, open it, click on I agree, but this is the older version. See here, version number is 10.3.2. Okay, so we are going to install the latest version. So close this one, close this one also. Now open any web browser, then go to Ghidra-sre.org. hit enter. This is the official website. Now see here, download from GitHub and install guide. So right click on this download from GitHub, open link in new tab, then click on installation guide. See here, the latest version is 11.2.1. Download this zip file. Okay, click on it. See, download started and its size is 405 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, go to here, then click on minimum requirements. See, we must have 4 GB RAM, 1 GB storage, okay, and Java 2164-bit. Okay, so the installed version of Java is 17. See, we have Java 17. So I am going to download this one. So click on this adaptive tamarind. Click on it. Select Linux. Then select architecture x86. Then JDK. Then 21 LDS. Okay. Then click on this .zip file. Click on it. See, download will be started. See, download started. Okay. Now go to this folder. Size is 197 megabytes. Right click. Show in folder. Show in folder. Go to downloads. Wait a moment until download completes. See, download is completed. Go to folder. Right click on this. Open JDK. Extract. Also right click on this one, extract to extract. See, extraction is completed. Now right click, open in terminal. ls. See here we have these files. Now go to this Ghidra public folder. This file is not required. Remove this one. Ghidra, give the tab _public. See, we have to remove zip file. Also remove, open, give the tab, zip file. See, we have both extracted folders. Go to Ghidra directory, cd, Ghidra, give the tab, hit enter, ls. See here we have the Ghidra run file. So give the /Ghidra caps run, hit enter. Now we have to provide the JDK home directory. Hit enter for dialog. Now select the path downloads. Then select the downloaded JDK 21. Select it and click on open. That's all. Now it will open. Click on I agree. See, now we are opening version 11.2.1. Let me close this help file. Close it. See, go to help about Ghidra. See, we have opened Ghidra application version number 11.2.1. Okay, see here we have the options like new project, open project, edit project, tools, etc. Okay, so close this one. Again, if you want to open the same one, but if you open from this menu Ghidra, it will open the older version. See, if you open it one, see, this is the older version. But if you want to open newer version, close it. Better uninstall or open newer version by going to this directory. Hit enter. See, now it is opening 11.2.1. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install or set up Ghidra 11.2.1 on Parrot OS 6.2. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.